The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for eastern Wise County in north-central Texas, northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Paradise, or 9 miles southeast of Bridgeport, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Decatur around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.